Thanks, Jamie. Weather alert still in place. We're looking at the skies. I have the camera facing. This isn't Birmingham, but it's facing towards Shelby County. Reason being, severe thunderstorm warning now in effect for Shelby County. That same storm that moved out of Bibb County, impacting parts of Shelby County, heading straight for Alabaster. You can see how the sky is darkening there off on the horizon. Temperatures climbing to around 70 degrees. Those dew points are jumping up as well. Two key ingredients that help stimulate the atmosphere. Here's that severe thunderstorm warning as it moves through Alabaster right now. As I track the storm off to the north and to the east, in Pelham in a matter of minutes, Chelsea about 13 minutes, Westover roughly 20 minutes, and Vincent anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes before the storm reaches you. This storm is heading east northeast at about 45 miles per hour. There is even the possibility of some quarter-size hail falling with this. See where that bright purple is? Right in the middle of that thunderstorm. That's where we're most likely going to see hailstones falling. That's reaching the 65 corridor. It's climbing closer to Highway 31 right now. And again, this is right around that Alabaster exit on Interstate 65. This will follow and cross over Highway 280. Again, making its way closer to I-20 there near Logan Martin Lake within the next 30 to 40 minutes. Here's the setup. Warm front lifted to the north earlier this morning, and that acted as a magnet, kind of attracted all of this Gulf moisture, and that's why we had such an active start to the day. Right now is what I'm calling a lull in the activity. It's not over, folks. We may see a break from the rain, but that break also brings with it the chance for sunshine. That sunshine warms up the air. That air rises. That rising motion is what helps to invigorate the atmosphere, producing those storms once this cold front back to our west begins moving through. This cold front makes its quick advance later on this afternoon. It will sweep across the state and provide us with another opportunity of active weather. I want to show you what's left in southeast Alabama. A lot of stormy activity from Dothan, and that's moving into parts of South Georgia. But look at the skies in Tuscaloosa, folks. Sunshine. This sunshine means a big warm up. It's 77 degrees right now in Tuscaloosa. That warm air and that southwest wind, those are two key ingredients we'll be watching closely for as this cold front approaches this afternoon. Light rain in Birmingham, mostly cloudy in Gadsden, 67 there. This break in the rain will last till about 2 p.m. before that line begins developing along that Mississippi-Alabama state line. From 2 to 4, this line of thunderstorms slides into Walker County, stretching all the way down to Tuscaloosa County. Again, these isolated thunderstorms is where we could feel the effects of the stronger storms. I'm still keeping all modes of severe weather in the forecast. Tornadoes, gusty winds, dangerous winds at that, significant lightning, and even pockets of heavy rainfall. 4 p.m. this should line up through Birmingham up to Coleman, crossing over Interstate 65 at around 6 p.m. and finally moving out of here just after 7 or 8 o'clock tonight before things begin to really quiet down overnight tonight. And I expect us to see some sunshine finally as we round out the week. Much cooler though, 60s for your Thursday and Friday. And that's a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast.